Tutorial 11 3D Model Parts Visualization in the PDF file. The 3D model embedded in the PDF file consists of different parts. In this video session, you will learn to create views with their parts differently rendered. This possibility will allow you to highlight model parts and oppose them to the whole model, so you will get results as one illustrated here. To learn working with the parts and create views with these properties, as always we will make use of the files from the tutorial. In the tutorial, open the file tutorial 11.0 and zoom it in properly. Double-clicking the model area, you open the Edit 3D dialog. In the activation settings, select Enable the model when the page with the content is opened. In the Navigation tab, check the box Open Model Tree and confirm with OK. Press Show Preview with Adobe Reader. The PDF file is opened in Adobe Reader, and on the left you can see the Model Tree navigation pane. Expand the assembly item and adjust the pane size to display all the parts that make up the 3D model embedded in the PDF file. Now let's disable the whole model by removing the check mark in the box Model. The 3D model has become invisible as all its parts are hidden. We are enabling the parts one by one to make up the whole model, so in this way you can get an idea of all the parts which constitute the model. The structure of each part may also be complex by itself and may be composed of other parts, which depend on the way CAD objects are grouped when imported in 3D PDF Maker. We will get an insight into this topic later on. For now, it's enough to know that the parts of a 3D model embedded in the PDF file correspond to layers of DWG, DXF and DGN files and to the parts of a drawing tree in a 3D mechanical CAD program. With 3D PDF Maker, you can create views which every single part may not only be visible or hidden, but also may have its individual rendering style and transparency. Exit Adobe Reader without saving and go back to 3D PDF Maker. By double-clicking the model, open the Edit 3D dialog and create a new view exchanger. Assign to this view white lights as its lighting scheme and illustration as its rendering style. Click on the Show Model Tree button and change the rendering style for the indicated parts in solid outline, then confirm with OK. Finally, let's add a link between the new view and the 3D PDF Maker logo present in the PDF file. Press Show Preview with Adobe Reader and check the completed work. We have created a view with different rendering styles assigned to its different parts. Exit Adobe Reader without saving and open file 11.2. Open the Edit 3D dialog by double-clicking the model area. Take a look at different views. Each view has its own specific properties for the background color, lighting and rendering, different from other views. Please open the model tree of 3D PDF Maker and check different views. The render and transparency settings of single parts of the model may be different from those of the view. For example, the view oil level has solid outline as the rendering style, while the single parts are rendered in the illustration style with different transparencies. Confirm with OK, then press Show Preview with Adobe Reader. In the same way, in Adobe Reader, observe the list of views and the render and transparency settings for each single part of the model. These single part settings are different for each view. In the next tutorial, you will learn to alter transparency of single parts of a 3D model embedded in the PDF file. Close Adobe Reader without saving and go back to 3D PDF Maker. Open the PDF file Tutorial 11.3. Double-click Edit 3D to open the model tree in 3D PDF Maker. You can see all the constituent parts of a project. Click Cancel, then press Show Preview with Adobe Reader. Open the model tree, expand and adjust the pane size to display the whole list of parts. Hide the model by removing the check mark in the box Model. Starting from the bottom of the list, we are enabling the parts, one by one, to make up the whole model, which again becomes visible. Now you've got a better idea of the interrelation between DWG layers, the parts in mechanical CAD programs, and the model parts of the PDF file opened with Adobe Reader, and have seen how to manage specific properties in the model tree of 3D PDF Maker. In the next video, you will learn to adjust the transparency property of single parts of a 3D model embedded in the PDF file. That will allow you to create views demonstrating the inside of a model. Now quit Adobe Reader, go back to 3D PDF Maker and close the PDF file by clicking the red cross in the right top corner without saving the file.